In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger's hPanel. Whether you're setting up a separate section of your website or testing new ideas, subdomains offer a versatile way to manage multiple projects under the same main domain. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Enter your registered email address and password in the login fields, and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard upon a successful login. If you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry, there's a prompt to help you recover your account. Once you're in, look for the Domains option on the main menu of your dashboard. This section is where we handle everything related to domain name management. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you should select Subdomains. This section specifically allows us to create, manage, and organize subdomains linked to our main domain. In the subdomains section, you'll find a form waiting for your input. Here, you can enter the name of your desired subdomain. This could be something like blog or store, depending on what you intend to use it for. Keep in mind, your subdomain should make sense not only to you, but also to your visitors, ensuring that it's easy to remember and relevant to its purpose. Next, you'll need to select the parent domain from your existing domains list. The parent domain is the primary domain under which your new subdomain will operate. This is crucial because a subdomain essentially acts as a separate section of your main website. Ensure that you choose the parent domain that best fits the purpose of your subdomain. With the subdomain name and parent domain selected, you're almost there. Click the Create button to finalize this process. Hostinger will automatically generate the necessary DNS entries, making it easy for you to configure your subdomain further as you need. Once created, you can tweak the settings, upload files, or even install software to suit your particular needs. If necessary, now would be the time to configure any files or settings associated with your subdomain. This could involve uploading website files via the file manager, or perhaps configuring certain features through your CMS or application. Take your time at this stage to ensure everything aligns with your desired outcome. And there you have it, a newly created subdomain within your Hostinger hPanel. With your subdomain set up, you're ready to expand your web presence, whether it's launching a new blog, a portfolio, or an entirely different site vision. Remember, subdomains are a powerful tool for keeping your online endeavors organized and efficient. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is always just a click away. Happy creating!